Good evening. I'm Christian Brink, Managing Director at Caseware Africa, a division of Adapt IT. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how Caseware can help you unlock time and add for greater clarity and control for your finance and internal audit teams. Caseware Africa is the leader in financial reporting and in audit compliance workflow automation. And this year, we are celebrating our 30th birthday. Thousands of finance teams globally trust Caseware to automate their routine tasks and help them to focus on what matters most: risks, strategy, and delivering results. So let's take a quick look at what is possible when you bring Caseware into your finance function. Whether you draw financial statements internally or even outsource the preparation, Caseware can save you time and help you with full IFRS and SME compliance. Our ecosystem automates the entire process, ensures that you're updated with the latest financial standards, and keeping you abreasted as regulations evolve. The solution is available on both desktop and cloud, with flexible adjustments for notes, disclosures, and layouts while keeping you all compliant. It provides for built-in iXBRL tagging so that your reports to the CIPC is submission ready. And for those of you eager to adopt early, our IFRS solution on the cloud now also provides support for IFRS 18. For internal auditors, traditional internal audits can be slow, manual, and prone to missing critical risks, thereby making it harder to surface critical insights to leadership. Caseware Internal Audit provides for key audit workflow automations, helping your team to focus less on checklists and more on delivering true value. From planning to reporting, everything is streamlined, compliant, and designed to help internal auditors surface insights faster. But that is not all. With agentic AI driving the next wave of technological revolution and transformation, we are very excited to introduce you to Caseware Verity, our agentic AI assistant. Caseware Verity provides for a built-in intelligence layer directly into the Caseware Cloud ecosystem. Verity understands the context of your work and the engagement that you are working on, professional standards, the policies of your firm, and any documents you provide to it. So when you use Verity, for example, with a compilation, it helps you cut through the complexity of connecting your trial balance notes and disclosures, and instantly surfaces errors and aspects that require your attention. Verity is built with an easy mechanism of answering a question without leaving the engagement, and is centered around privacy. No data is used for training external models, and every response is grounded in professional standards with proper citations and highlighting errors that require your professional judgment. Caseware is about empowering CFOs like you with tools that make your life easier, save you time, reduce risks, and surface insights. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the discussion.